Alright there everybody, we're out here with a little night ride. The Jetson Bolt Pro. You know, the Jetson, you got to do a little bit of pedaling when you get on this hill up here. So, but after you get to the level part, you're home free. I mean, I love this Jetson, man. This thing rides. It rides so nice and so smooth and quiet. You know, for this money, I mean, God, this is like the best value in the world for a bike. I mean, come on. I don't know about that headlight's that damn good. Pull over here for a second because I have no idea if that damn tail light's still working because I can't see, of course, because I do not have eyes in the back of my head. I can't see if actually, oh yeah, okay, so it's still going. That's good to know. I'm just taking a little night ride here. See what's happening. Which is a whole lot of nothing. It's, I think it's 9:15. Anybody wants to know what time it is, there you go. It's 9:15. Yeah, this headlight on here is not that, it's not that great, to be honest with you. Street lights over here either. We go over here behind the building. I may be replacing this headlight on here. This thing's doesn't seem to be worth a crap to me. I don't know what the lumens is, but it seems like 2 lumens. It's lumen less. Let's go back here where it's pitch dark. Yeah. See, yeah, it's not that hot. Not as good as the little gator thing. It's nowhere near that. So, we may have to add additional lighting on there for any more night cruising. I'd like to cruise this up to the Monroeville Mall. I think that would probably be pretty fun. So, I'm trying to see if this thing's got a light on it. See what's happening over this way. Probably nothing much. No, nothing much is happening. Pretty boring. No throughway. Yeah, for you, but not for me. I can't wait to see what the range is going to be on this bike on the trail. I'm real excited to see what kind of distance I'm going to get with this thing. Seriously. What the hell was this over here? Looks like a little booty queen over there. What's up with the bouquet? Let's go back over here through this little dark area. This ought to be good because it's real pitch dark over here. Yeah, I could take this Jetson up to the mall. As a matter of fact, I think I could take this over to the mall and just have Ivy come and pick me up. And just do laps at the mall for the mileage. Yeah, see, this light is pretty crappy, man. I gotta pedal up this hill, by the way. Yeah, GoPros and concrete. Okay, that's not a good combination, okay? Okay, so I had one of those lights on this thing starting to go. It's in between three. It's 4 lights on the Jetson. So one of them is flashing. So it's going from 4 to 3. I've already went probably about 2.5 miles at least. And the thing wasn't fully charged anyway. There was already a little ride on here. I just didn't charge it back up. So I can't wait to get, well, I went back to 4 bars. So I can't wait to get tomorrow over to the trail and see what kind of range I can get with this thing. You know, I'm pretty anxious to see what the story is with that. We'll see, right? Okay, we're coming into the home stretch. Good brakes on here, good brakes.